Hey guys, so this is going to be really quick makeup and outfit. It's pretty casual, but it's like a bit grown up. This is my makeup. So I just have like a smoky black. I used, oops, just got my tablet. I used the black and this color, and then I have just like a lot of red lipstick, some Outlast, and then here's my nails. They are these two guys, which I think I've shown before. This one's really fun. It's like ruby. And I've added a bit more dreads in. I put some more extensions. And then my mama is doing pretty well. Got her done Wednesday. And then this is just my top that I painted exploited on because I'm cool. And then this is just like a little heavy scarf for accessory. And then sweater, could be happy. And then my usual jeans like that. And then just a pair of black leather boots. So just do a flip broadcast on it. I put some more beads in them, stick them in, but I made some of my dreads a bit thicker, like this one you can see. That's pretty thick. So. And I'm gonna just wear my, oh, out of focus, my leather jacket with the Led Zeppelin on it. So. That's it.